in grammar, we are talking about the agreement of the verb with the subject. Now, what are the various rules regarding the agreement of the verb with the subject? First is that a verb must agree with its subject. That is the thing. So, ever देखो, two or more nouns joined together. If two or more nouns are joined together, we can give a plural verb. Like gold and silver are precious metals because there are two metals. But कभी कभी क्या होता है, the nouns are two, but they suggest one idea. Like, then the verb will be singular. They say bread and butter is a wholesome food. That is very, very important. Horse and carriage, because खाली horse आने से नहीं चलेगा, खाली carriage तो आ ही नहीं सकता. So horse and carriage is at the door. So the is denotes that the wholly it is taken as one. Next, words which are joined to a singular subject by with as well as are parenthetical. Means it will be done, the verb will be according to the first one, along with as well as करके बाकी sort of choose क्यों ना हो जाए, the verb will be according to the first one. जैसे the mayor with his councillors is to be present, not are. Is with his councillors, there may be so councillors, but is to be present. This is important. The ship with its crew was lost. So the verb is singular according to the first one, parenthetical, and not according to with, along with jo. What? Sanskrit as well as Arabic was taught here. Sanskrit कोई main माना गया, as well as के बाद जो भी आए, no, doesn't matter. The guidance as well as the love of a mother was wanting. So guidance के हिसाब से हुआ, as well as के बाद जो भी आया, doesn't matter. Next, two or more singular subjects, if they are joined by or nor, they also require a singular verb. जैसे our happiness or our sorrow is due to our action, is not our. So or से जो भी आए या nor से जो भी जोड़ा जाए, the verb will be singular one. Either the cat or the dog has been here. So either or. So the verb is singular. Neither the chairman, a bar, if one thing happens, in neither nor also same thing. But if there are neither the principal nor the teachers, if the second part is plural, then the verb will be plural. Neither the principal nor the teachers are present, but where present, that will be done. So, ever or nor যদি different persons को समझाया जाए, the verb will agree with the nearer. ওখানেই বস, এখানেই আসার কোনো দরকার নেই, এক্ষুনি গল্প হবে না. He asked me, no, he is mistaken or I am. So he is, उसके nearest he, so the verb is or I am, I, तो उसके साथ am. Okay, either, neither, each, everyone, many, all singular verbs. Each of these substances is found in each है तो verb will be single. बेटा करो हम देख लेते हैं which subject you have got today. Tomorrow. Okay. আমি বলবো. अच्छा, every one of the prisons is full. So each and every के लिए the verb is always singular.